Welcome to our Payment Card Industry Tool Guide, an essential step to safeguard your business. Keeping your business PCI compliant helps minimize the risk of data exposure and costly fines. All businesses handling cardholder data, including debit and prepaid cards, must maintain PCI compliance. There are two parts to becoming PCI compliant: self-assessment questionnaire, PCI security scan. To begin the process of becoming compliant, go to securetrust.com, our trusted PCI compliance partner. First, enter your login credentials. If you don't remember your password, click the Forgot Password button and follow the instructions. Once you log in, start the SAQ by clicking Next and choose the Guide Me assessment method if you're unsure what type of survey your business needs. Follow the guide and answer questions based on your business's payment processing methods. If needed, you can hover the cursor over the blue question mark for detailed explanations. Select the correct device type your business uses. If your terminal isn't listed, click Add Your Own and add your point-of-sale device model. You will then move to the series of questions applicable to the point-of-sale type you indicated. Please pay close attention to each question, as they will help you intuitively understand the correct business practices. Once you've completed the SAQ, you must schedule a scan. Press Manage in the B-Scan Compliance section to start the process. Choose Schedule Scan and enter your domain or IP address. Enter the date and preferred time to run the scan. Scroll down and tick the confirmation box after reading a disclaimer notice. Click Schedule Scan to initiate the process. You will see the progress status of the scan next. Once the scan successfully completed, click Begin Step to review the results. Fill in the applicable information for compliance. After filling in the relevant information, hit Confirm your attestation at the end of the page. Please note that if the scan fails, you'll be redirected to the next page with more information and action items. Please remember that you must schedule vulnerability scans every 3 months to remain compliant. If you have additional questions, you can always contact our PCI compliance support team.